Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Odeyemi Akinyemi remains my name. Welcome to the part 2 of the ongoing tutorials about how to make money, serious money, investing in cryptocurrency. When we talk about cryptocurrency investment, there are different ways. In the part 1, I talked about in the part 1, I talked about how to just buy and keep it. That is holding. You are holding your coin. That is buying and keeping your coin. That is strictly buying and keeping it in your wallet. And as the crypto appreciates, your coin goes up. So as the coin appreciates, the value of your money goes up. The value of the invested money grows. That was what I talked about in part 1, whereby I talked about using some apps like investing app, like Coin Codex app, then Coin Direct app. I also talked about how to make use of these apps, okay? And I also little, just touched about some of the exchanges that I actually used, like Binance, like BTC, like Yobit.io, okay? Then like crypt or what is it called, the fourth one I'm using. But in this video, it's taking another turn, as the part 2 of this video is going to be talking about lending. Don't forget the part 1A. I really want to show you guys the part 1B. I wanted to show you guys how I bought crypto live and how I transferred it between the apps. But I wouldn't want it to be so cumbersome. If you really still need how to lay your hands on this coin, how to buy it, how to transfer it, how to get your deposit address, just like your bank account number, okay? If you really don't know that, please drop message under this video, okay? Or you can just send me an email to forestbrokersrecord at gmail.com. I'm going to be of help to you, okay? But in this part 2, we'll be talking about lending. What does lending mean? It simply means you buy a coin, then you lend it. You lend it to exchangers. Not every exchanger does this, not everyone. So you lend a coin to some exchangers, okay, that allows it. You lend this coin, lend it to some exchangers. So it could vary, like 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months. Do you see that? So this varies. Just like you are lending your money out in the bank and the bank is paying you interest. So these exchangers actually make use of your money. But don't lend your money to scammers. Use a notable exchanger like the one you are seeing here. Okay? They are actually exchanger just like Binance, like 8BTC, like other exchanging cryptocurrency company. That is what they are all about. You see that? So then this exchanger also have a coin. just like the Binance have its own coin, just like crypto.com have its own coin. Do you not get it? Okay, they have their own coin. The system coin exchanger have their own coin. How do you lend? I'm going to be doing a practical example here. I'll be transferring 500 repos from one of my accounts in Binance. I will transfer it to system coin. Then I will pause the video. Then I will continue when the cryptocurrency, the repos appears on my system coin. I will not lend it. You will see how it works. So first and foremost, I want to get my deposit address from system coin. How do I do this? I open this account for the purpose of lending. How do I do this? I will click on fund on system coin and I will click on what? I will click on deposits. Or perhaps I can just click on funds or balances. Once I click on balances, I might type the coin I want here, like the Ripple. This is the here is the Ripple, like XRP means Ripple. You can see it here. I will click on deposit. In Ripple, you need two stuff. What and what? You need what is known as the destination tag, and you need an address. Don't make the mistake of using one. If you use one, your money will be lost. So you have to use both. So you click OK. This is how it happens on every platform. Ripple use two stuff, destination tag and the address. So now, this is it here. This is the address, which I'm going to copy. I will just click here, which means copy. Then I'll place it here. That's the address. Then the second thing is to copy the tag, destination tag. The destination tag are always series of numbers, coded numbers. They are numbers. Okay, I will copy it. Then I will paste the tag here. This is my deposit Ripple address. If you want to send me money, no problem. Just send it to this address here, this Ripple address, and the tag. Okay, as simple as that. Okay, let's now go to Binance, where I'm going to be sending the 500 Repos. Okay, I'm now in my Binance. I want to send 500 Ripple. I will click on withdraw under the Ripple. Once I click on withdraw, it brings me here. Okay, now it tells me I want to send Ripple. Okay, here, this is the address. I'm going to send it. I will copy it and I will paste the address here. Then the tag, this is destination tag. I will also copy the destination tag and I will place it here. Now, amount of Ripple I want to send. I want to lend 500 Ripple. Look, this is profitable. You know what? Even when the market is dropping, you will still have an increase in what you are lending. It is a win-win situation. And as the Ripple is increasing, the value is also increasing. Now I'm sending 500 Ripple to this address. I'm going to get, because of the no, then I have to send 501. Okay, good. So that I'm going to get 500 Ripple. I'm submitting this. Okay, so the second authentication factor, so the second authentication factor is there. Okay, now having done this, 500 Ripple, just let me confirm withdrawal request. Go to your email, and I have to go to my email now and do the confirmation. So this is what you get in your email when you click on the email being sent to you. The next thing to be done is to confirm the withdrawal. Once you click on it, it's automatically confirmed. Okay, then say it's gone already. So go to withdraw history, is gone. So in this case, I'm going to be expecting the money to be deposited here anytime from now. And that is when I'm going to continue this video from. This video is going to be on pause until when that is done. Here, until when that is done. So, thanks for waiting. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi remains my humble name. As you can see here, it virtually took less than 5 minutes for the money to appear in this my account where I'm lending. Then that is the power of cryptocurrency. Then from here, I'm going to click on lending. When I click on lending, you see this? Done. You click on new lending. You click on my lending. Once you click on my lending, it will tell you that you click on Repo or any coin of these four you want to lend. It tells you you do not have any Repo lending. Click here to create an account. So I click here to create a Repo account lending. I haven't done that automatically. The fund in my account, and I click on Repo. The fund in my account will automatically come to this place automatically, as you can see it now. So the amount I want to lend is this. I want to lend everything to them. Everything. So what I want to do is lending amount. I will type here 500. So once I type 500, and it already tells me that I can lend from 0 to 300,000. But I want to lend 500 repos to them to do. Now, I want to use the period of just 1 month, which is going to be 6%. Renew, if I say renew on expiry, so I can calculate then. But if I said just once, it means after a month. But I want it to be renewed on expiry automatically. To be renewed on expiry. Okay? It is a good way to get it done because you might not be aware and automatically it gets renewed again. Today being December 24th, 23rd. So just 2 days to the Christmas. So by January 23rd, I've already made 6% of my repo. Good business. And I want you to calculate. Click on calculate. So this is what it means. I'm lending 500 repo. Okay? Balance after redemption. So I'm going to be gaining 2.5 repo at the end of 1 month. The date, today's date is this 23rd of December. It will expire 23rd of January. Then monthly income will be 2.5 repo at this rate continuously. Do you get that? So I will click on new lending. Then automatically my money will go into lending. The money has just been sitting down there without doing anything. Do you get? The only thing that it appreciates in value, I don't just want appreciation in value. I want the number of the repo to be increasing. Okay? If I want to do it for 12 months, what do I gain? For 12 months is 12%. And if I should calculate for 12 months, I get 60 repos in additional. I'm going to get it. So it's same thing. So I will click on new lending. Now this is it. Balance after redemption will be this. I have read the agree and the what does it say? I know the potential risk of system lending and accept it. You will definitely get back your at least your capital. New lending. Every investment carries risk. If you don't want to take any risk, I beg come on for internet. In short, even your physical day-to-day job, as a nurse, as a doctor, as a bricklayer, as a roadside mechanic, as a vulcanizer. Any work you do carries risk. As a nurse, you are at risk of pricking yourself with needle, known as needle prick injury. And you know what can come out of that. As a medical doctor, you know what can contract as in taking care of your client. And as a bricklayer, you know the risk involved. Even as a driver, every business carries risk. If you don't want to take risk, my brother, you go remain poor. That is the cocoa. Anyway, thanks to have listened, to have watched my video. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do and hit the bell icon or the bell symbol to your right hand side of this video, bottom right hand side. Okay, this is because the next time I'll be uploading subsequent videos, you will be automatically notified. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi remains my humble name. Thank you and God bless you. Money must be made.